subscribers, today is raining like crazy. See the rain? Like, if you want to see Daddy, like, look. Like, he's right there, see? Ta-da, look. It's not even dark. I have to watch the Lego movie. It's raining. See, look, in the front. Daddy's driving, my daddy's driving. And look at it. Do you see that? Let me zoom in. See,
It's soaking wet.
yeah.
Look at the rain, buddy. It is raining hard.
Yeah, it's like raining crazy. It looks like it's gonna be like a tornado or something, or it's gonna flood out there.
Probably gonna flood. I don't think it's gonna be a tornado.
I think it's gonna flood. There's gonna be like a flood. Floods are crazy.
Yes.
Oh, gee, it looks like it's raining in here. The subscribers, don't worry about us. It's not raining in here. It's raining up there.
Yeah, it's raining outside.
Outside, not inside. Oh wow! Everything is wet, including my wrapper is wet too, even including this, including my pants, including the shirt.
Pants are wet?
Yeah, my pants are wet. Your shirt is wet.
Oh yeah, my shirt is soaked, man.
And I got
I
my.
have to close the umbrella.
And everybody, do you see me? Look, look. Oh my goodness. I'm with my mask.
Crooked mask!
Yeah.